To change the pump, you need to take this panel off, which has just got a couple of screws, just regular Phillips screws. So that pops off. Then you can take off this one, which again is more Phillips screws. And you also need to flip it upside down and take this off, which is again more screws. It kind of unclips around here, and then you have to wiggle it around this bit. So I haven't actually connected these yet, but you need needle nose pliers, and you just squeeze these together. Just squeeze these together like that, and then they can be slid onto or off from the connection. So this pipe goes on here, and then you pull this down, or if you're removing it the other way around, obviously. This one, this shorter one, I've cable tied it on here so I don't get them mixed up, even though it is actually longer. So the longer pipe goes on the further away connection to the pump, which is here. First time you take it off, you're going to probably have to get a screwdriver underneath it and kind of prise up as you're pulling after you've squeezed the clamp together and moved it upwards. There is a little indent here for the pipes to go in, because you'll probably want to move the pipes out of the way as well. Here's the power connections. Obviously this should be completely removed from the mains. So the white is the further away one. They are awkward. Well, they're not awkward, but they're difficult to get off. You have to pull quite hard. You can't just, well, you can pull this down a bit and then get just a flathead and just kind of lever it out at the same time as pulling from the top to get these out. And then you can change your pump.